For thousands of years, humans have stared at the world with the same burning question: how much of the universe are we actually missing? And just when we thought every ancient ruin, every biological puzzle, and every cosmic secret had reached a dead end, artificial intelligence stepped in and began solving mysteries that once felt completely out of reach. Today, we're diving into 12 unbelievable real-world mysteries cracked by AI. From reading ancient scrolls buried in volcanic ash to detecting lost cities that vanished under deserts and rainforests. This isn't science fiction. These are real discoveries, backed by nature, MIT, and ASA, science, and more. Grab your curiosity. This one's wild. Number 12. The protein folding puzzle. For decades, biologists were haunted by a near-impossible challenge. How does a simple chain of amino acids fold into a complex 3D protein? Getting that shape wrong could mean misunderstanding diseases entirely. Then came DeepMind's AlphaFold. In 2021, it predicted the structures of almost 200 million proteins, something scientists expected would take 100 years. Suddenly, researchers could explore how viruses operate, how vaccines can be designed faster, and which compounds might fight cancer. Today, AlphaFold is used in drug discovery, enzymatic engineering, and treatments that didn't exist a few years ago. This wasn't just a breakthrough, it was a biological revolution. Number 11. AI that reconstructs human thoughts. In 2024, scientists at the University of Texas at Austin did something straight out of a sci-fi film. They created an AI that can translate brain activity into sentences. Volunteers listened to stories inside an fMRI scanner, and the AI generated the same story, using only brain signals. Meanwhile, in Japan, researchers pushed the limit further, rebuilding actual images from brain activity. Thought-to-picture reconstruction. The closest we've ever come to understanding how thoughts become language and vision. This isn't mind reading, but it's the closest science has ever reached. Number 10. The Nazca Lines, hundreds of new figures found. The Nazca Lines in Peru, giant drawings of animals, humans, and symbols etched into desert land, baffled researchers for over a century. Many believed we had already found them all. But in 2023, AI models analyzing high-resolution aerial photos discovered over 300 new geoglyphs, nearly doubling our knowledge. Some figures were so faded that even experts had missed them. AI revealed humanoid figures, birds, and strange hybrid creatures, hinting that these lines might have been part of ancient rituals, pilgrimage routes, or ceremonial pathways. A new chapter of human history literally appeared out of the sand. Number 9. The Herculaneum Scrolls. When Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD, it carbonized thousands of scrolls in Herculaneum. They were so fragile that opening them meant destroying them. For 2,000 years, unreadable. Then came the Vesuvius Challenge in 2024, where researchers used machine learning to analyze microscopic textures inside 3D scans of the scrolls. The AI detected the tiniest changes in surface density, enough to reveal hidden Greek letters inside the blackened rolls. The first words recovered? Discussions about pleasure, philosophy, and ancient thought. Text unread for millennia. For the first time in history, AI gave voice to authors who had been silent for 2,000 years. Number 8. AI revives lost languages. Imagine an inscription so damaged that entire sentences are missing. Historians would normally guess. AI models like Ithaca and Pythia, created by DeepMind and Oxford researchers, learned from thousands of ancient Greek and Latin texts. Today, they can restore damaged inscriptions with over 70% accuracy, predicting what ancient writers might have carved or written centuries ago. It's not rewriting history, it's repairing it. For the first time, historians can fill in gaps that were previously permanent holes in the past. Number 7. Lost cities under deserts and rainforests. Archaeologists once spent decades trying to locate hidden cities buried beneath deserts and rainforests. But in 2024, AI completely transformed the search by analyzing satellite and LIDAR data to detect subtle shapes and patterns invisible to the human eye. These models uncovered long-lost caravan cities beneath the Arabian desert, traced ancient roads, walls, and settlements once erased by shifting sands, and revealed dozens of Amazonian villages buried under dense jungle canopies. A landmark study in Nature Human Behavior confirmed the existence of pre-Islamic trade hubs in Saudi Arabia, while another, in archaeological perspection, exposed previously unknown Amazonian structures. With these breakthroughs, AI is essentially turning vast deserts and rainforests into detailed, interactive maps of ancient civilizations that had remained hidden for thousands of years. Number 6. Terracotta Army, their true colors revealed. Standing guard over China's first emperor for 2,000 years, the Terracotta Army has always fascinated researchers. But what did these warriors originally look like? Eye combined with spectroscopy traced microscopic pigment signatures in soil samples, revealing the once vibrant paints used on the soldiers. Purples, reds, blues, and greens long lost to time. Some scans even hinted at undiscovered underground structures near the emperor's tomb. These findings, published in scientific reports, give archaeologists their most detailed view of these ancient warriors yet. Number 5. AI discovers halicin-like new antibiotics in under 48 hours. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria kill more than 1.3 million people every year. Traditional drug discovery is painfully slow, often taking years. But in 2025, Google DeepMind and MIT used AI to scan millions of molecules and found a powerful new antibiotic compound capable of destroying bacteria resistant to every known drug. The AI accomplished this search in less than 2 days. This breakthrough, published in Nature Chemical Biology, may lead to one of the decade's most important medical treatments. Number 4. Uncovering the secret life of battery crystals. Why do phone batteries degrade over time? Why does cold weather drain electric cars faster? For decades, scientists knew crystals inside lithium-ion batteries played a role, but they couldn't observe their behavior at the atomic scale. In 2024, AI models from Columbia University and DeepMind mapped the nanoscale structure of battery crystals, revealing how ions move and why some batteries deteriorate quicker. This discovery, featured in Nature Materials, could lead to longer-lasting, safer, and more efficient batteries. Number 3. The Navier-Stokes equation. Fluid movement, from jet turbulence to smoke patterns, is described by the Navier-Stokes equations. But proving they always behave logically is one of the hardest unsolved problems in mathematics. In 2024, DeepMind created an AI that found entirely new families of solutions. It didn't solve the entire Millennium Prize problem, but it pushed humanity closer than ever before. For mathematicians, this discovery is monumental. Number 2. The search for Planet 9 and the AI clues pointing to it. Astronomers suspect a massive hidden planet may be orbiting far beyond Neptune, Planet 9. The problem? It's too faint to see directly. So, in 2024, researchers from Harvard and Caltech trained AI to analyze orbital patterns in the Kuiper Belt. The model found gravitational anomalies suggesting an unseen object several times larger than Earth might be tugging on distant ice bodies. It's not final proof, but it narrows down the search dramatically. If Planet 9 exists, it'll be the first new planet discovered since Neptune in 1846. Number 1. AI that finds cancer, drugs in months, not years. Drug development usually takes decades. But in 2024, AI systems from Benevolent AI and In Silico Medicine began scanning chemical databases and genetic data to identify potential cancer treatments. One AI-discovered drug for rare leukemia reached clinical testing in under 18 months, a timeline that was unheard of before. According to Nature Cancer, these models aren't just making predictions, they're learning the hidden biological rules behind disease. This could reshape the future of medicine. What discovery surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want more mind-blowing stories about AI, ancient civilizations, and the secrets hidden in our world, make sure you hit that like and smash subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.